Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel, My Hobbies with Nargis. So today we are going to make a 2-roll dot basket with dot handle. See, this is the base of the basket. This is how it looks once it gets finished. Let us measure its original size. So you can see its length is about 8 inches. The height of the basket is also 8 inches. Now the breadth of the basket is approximately 5 inches. This is the length of the base. So this is the actual measurement of the basket which we are going to make today. See, this is our dot handle. I'll show you the measurement of it. How long the handle you can see here is 10.5 inches exactly. Okay, so now you have got the height, length, breadth and the height of the handle as well. Strong handle is stiff and sturdy with a good grip in your hand to hold for a longer time as well. You can see, viewers, it contains a very good space. You can have a bottle inside with lunch basket, you can also call it as. It's a dot pattern. You can observe the yellow dots, the mixed one and the pink dots. If you watch at any side or any corner of the basket, you will get the same pattern. You will not miss it anywhere. So let's start how to weave a basket which is handmade. So I am taking here pink wire, measuring with a ruler which is 20 inches, which means 1 feet. This is how you measure wire which has to be cut. It's exactly 8 feet. This is another color one, yellow. You have to measure only one time a single wire. Then holding that, you can measure the others also. This is also 8 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 feet. So this is how we have to cut and keep aside all the wires, as today we are going to make a cross-cut basket. For making a cross-cut basket, you don't have to use any running wire. So pink color wire, you can see I had taken 22 wires and yellow it's 24 wires, measuring 8 feet each. You can also go for my another videos. Now I am taking first wire to make the first knot of the base. Fold it into equal halves. Make a loop of it. Then you have to take the same color wire Do the same. Hold 2 loops on both of your hands. Place one over the other. Let the lower wire come up and insert the right side wire. In this way, we had made our first knot. After that, you have to measure the up and lower wires. It should be equal. If it not, then just adjust a little and make sure that both the upper and lower wires are equal in measure. That's it. Make these kind of knots with all the wires which we had cut and kept aside, like this. You can count. We'll get overall 11 knots of pink and 12 knots out of yellow. Using this, we are going to make a cross-cut basket of 2 roll. Take one of each. Place it in a way where you can find it. Is it in X position? Like this, you have to place. Here you can see the wires are crossing above as well as below. Now we are going to make knots to join the both knots. For that, look what I am doing. Follow the same procedure. This is a simple and clear tutorial for the beginners. They can just observe and follow step by step to make a nice small handmade basket. Turn it around. Do the same on the lower side. That's it. We had attached the first knot with the second one. Now you can see the yellow knot has been attached to the pink one. So this will become our center line, so that we can easily identify which is our center line. You have to make a knot out of it in this way. Next step, we are going to go for the alternate colors. That means that again you have to attach the yellow one, following the same procedure. Those who have still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, support, like, share and comments. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can make more large baskets. For that you have to go to my other playlist. I'll also give it in my description box. You can click the link and go to that. In this way, we had attached the third one. Now go for the fourth. Again the pink one. I hope you'll enjoy making it. The beginners can just follow this step simply and go on making it. I'm sure you'll like it. It's the simple way from which you can overcome from your boredom time. It's a stress reliever. Now we have attached 4 knots. This is the way you have to attach all the other knots one by one alternately in a single line. See, now I had completed. This is the center line. From here you can see yellow, pink, yellow, pink. These are the alternate knots which I had attached all the 11 knots of pink and 12 knots of yellow. This is the end of the center line. So here also we have to make a knot to identify our center line. Now the next step which we are going to do is, above the center line you can see the wires which are crossing in the opposite directions. Using that you have to make new knots. Go to the next one. Make all the knots tightly. This way you have to go one after the another and complete the full line above the center line. Then you have to make other knots, second line after the center one. Now you can see after center you had made 3 knots above. In this way you have to make overall 9 knots. Same way below also. Turn it over so that you can make it on the other side, following the same procedure from the center line. You have to just go on making the knots where all the wire crosses in the opposite directions. You can also get my Hindi version of basket making on the channel of my playlist. If you have any doubts regarding basket weaving, do come to know on my comment section. In this way, we are going to follow the same procedure, go on with the next crossed wires, making knots, and then go to the next line. It's the easiest way of making basket, as we don't need any running wire. After the center line you have to make 9 knots above as well as 9 knots below the center line. So I'll show you after finishing. As now my base is completed, you can see these are the 9 lines above and the 9 lines below the center line. So here we had completed our base. After that you can open the knots of the center line. From now we have to make a cut of the center wire, which is the 8th wire. You can see I had cut off the 8th wire for making a corner turn. Now start inserting the wire which we had cut it off. Just go on passing the wire on the straight line up to 5 to 8 knots. I have already many videos of basket weaving tutorial in Hindi, in English. You can go on and make use of it for making more and more baskets. Just cut off the remaining wire. As you can see, I had inserted the cut off wire. Now 8th wire had gone inside, so we are having 9th wire had gone inserted inside. Now we are having 8th and 10th wire. Using both, you have to make a new knot so that our corner turning procedure will take place. Ensure that it has been tightly made. Pull it tightly. So this is our first corner which we had turned. After that, you can see on the left hand side the wires are crossing. So go on making the new knots. Same way, the right side also the wires are crossing on the opposite direction. Make a new knot out of it. It's a medium sized basket we are going to make today. Earlier I had made a small basket. You can get all size baskets weaving tutorial on my channel. So this is a corner turn. In this way, you have to go on making knots wherever the wire crosses. This is below one. Even there we have to make the corner turn. In this way it will go upward and the height will increase of our basket. Third side, and that is the fourth side, you have to make the corner turn knots on all the 4 sides of it. I'll show you one more. From the center line, you can see count. This is the 7th, 8th, 9th knot. Actually, you have to cut it off, including the center line. It is the 9th knot. Insert it inside as we had done before. Complete it. Now you can see the last knot, which is the 10th one and the 8th one. Make it together for making a new knot. In this way your second corner turning procedure will end up. Just tighten it. wherever the wire crosses in the opposite direction, you have to make a new knot. Following the same procedure, you are going to complete the whole basket weaving process. You don't have to make any ladder knot, or you are not going to use any running wire. You are just simply going to make knots of all the crossing wires. That's it. It's very easy and simple and quick. So this is our second corner turn. In this way you are going to make the third one and the fourth one as well. Now just go on weaving above. I'll show once I'll get finished to save your time. In this way I'm at the last few knots away to complete the basket weaving. I had followed the same procedure for the whole basket. You have to weave the basket or make the knots until you get a short wire left up to 3 to 4 inches. You don't have to make any changes, just go on making knots. See, here I had completed my basket weaving. All the knots are over. Now you can see it's a straight line where all the mixed color knots are on the top. It should be even. You can see the wires left is about 2 to 3 inches. So here you can stop weaving the basket. After that, you are going to insert the wires from inside. For that you are going to fold the above mixed color knot. This is the way how you are going to insert the wires. The left side wire is going to be on the left side straight along, and the right one following the same procedure. You are going to insert all the remaining wires. The above knot is going to be get folded completely. So this is how you are going to insert up to 4 to 5 knots. You will get all the wires one above the other while inserting. I'll show you once I complete fully. After inserting all the wires, you can see how it looks. This is the height of our basket base. Now you are going to cut off the remaining wires once all the wires are inserted. You can see I had completed inserting all the wires up to 4 to 5 knots. Using a scissor, you can cut off the remaining wires in this way so that you get a clear finishing. I'll show you after completing. Now we are going to go for next procedure. See, how it looks once all the leftover wires had been cut. Isn't it nice? Now the next thing is we are going to make the handle of the basket. For that you have to mark the place where you are going to insert the wires handle. So from along the corner side you are going to mark the position for inserting the wire to make the handle. It should be exactly at the center, equal distances in between as well. For making handle we need 2 wires of both color, one yellow and one pink, measuring 9 feet each. Place one above the other and insert it on the knot we had marked. Ensure that all the 4 wires are equal in this way. Now I am going to take 3 wires. Those are the inner wires, measuring 4 feet each. Place one above the other. Insert in this way all the 3 wires. Now make sure again that all the 3 inner wires are equal in length. Pull it a little, that's it. Now making the smooth surface facing upward and the hard one inside, arrange it properly using a rubber band. Tie a knot so that your outer wires and inner wires don't get mixed up. Pull a little downward. So these are the outer wires, both of your hand. These are the pink wires. You don't have to do the same. Take it one side and on the other side the other color. Hold it like this. In this way. Then again go from the right side and come in between the both the wires. Tighten it. Again do the same procedure. From below you are taking the wire, middle of the 2 wires. Follow the same procedure. Tighten a little in between so that your handle gets strong enough. This is the only way you are going to complete the whole handle. See, I had done it to save your time. That's it. Now you can see just an half an inch of inner wires is left. Just cut it off using scissor. And slowly insert from both the sides of the knot you had marked. Pull inwards. Hold it tightly. The inner wire should not be seen. Make a knot using all the 4 wires. Tighten up and now insert all the 4 wires in whichever direction you feel it convenient. After that, this is the last thing which we are going to complete. This is make a handle steady. You have to use a wire of 1 to 2 feet and roll it over so that your handle gets steady. This is, you can check how the handles are equal. Isn't it nice? We had made a beautiful basket using 2 roll of plastic wire, swastikane. Dot handle is amazing, beautifully done. Do subscribe my channel so that you can get more and more videos. Click on the bell icon for more notifications of the latest videos I will uploading. Thank you for so much support. We'll once again meet in our next video with a new basket weaving. Are all the dots looking bright and beautiful? So wonderful. You will feel so satisfied once you are completed the weaving process. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.